Now we will discuss about the topic trigonometric function. That is also T ratios. Sin theta is equal to P by H. Sin theta is equal to P by H means angle opposite side divided by hypotenuse. That is a perpendicular. Okay, this is P perpendicular, this is base, B that is H hypotenuse. That means this is a right angle triangle. From that triangle, Pythagoras derived that. So cos theta is equal to B by H, that is equal to angle adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. B means base, H means hypotenuse. So similarly, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That is equal to 1 by cot theta. That is equal to P by B, means perpendicular by base. Here angle adjacent side, that is equal to this is angle, this is adjacent side, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. So that's why here cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, which is equal to 1 by tan theta by base by P, means base by perpendicular. If sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to H by B, means hypotenuse by base. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is H by P, that is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Then P square plus B square is equal to H square. From that, we prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That is here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. That is 6 functions are there. Means each function there is each angle there is 2 function. That's why these are the 6 functions used as a device for measurement of a higher angle. For measurement of a higher angle, we use as a device. This is a unit circle. That means here unit circle, where the distance is equal to 1 unit here, 1 distance. X-axis is 1, y-axis is 0, x-axis is 0, y-axis is 1, x-axis minus 1, y-axis 0, x-axis 0, y-axis minus 1. This is unit circle. Here this is angle. This angle is equal to x angle. This is x angle. Okay. This point is P. The distance is equal to A distance. This distance is equal to B distance. So the P point is equal to A comma B. That's why A square plus B square is equal to 1, because this is the radius which is equal to 1 unit. So here, because all radius are same, so A square plus B square is equal to 1. That's why this x-axis stands for cos x, y-axis stands for sin x. Here x-axis, that is equal to x-axis, means that is the sin, and y-axis, sorry, cos, and y-axis, that is equal to sin. So that's why cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So sec square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. And cosec square x minus cot square x is equal to 1. Similarly, if cos 0 is equal to 1, why? Because this is a 0 angle. So x is if 0, that is equal to 1. So that's why cos 0 is equal to 1. So and the sin 0 is equal to 1. This is equal to 90-degree angle. So that's why this is equal to 0, and the sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. And this is equal to pi angle. So that's why cos pi is equal to minus 1, and sin pi is equal to 0. This is a 3 pi by 2 angle. So that's what means this is a 0 angle, this is a pi by 2 angle, this is a pi angle, this is a 3 pi by 2 angle. So that's why cos pi is equal to minus 1, sin pi equal to 0, then cos 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0, and sin 3 pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. Then cos 2 pi is equal to 1, and sin 2 pi is equal to 0. These are the angles value which is given in the unit circle and in axis. So similarly, sin 2n pi plus x is equal to sin x. Sin 2n pi plus x is equal to cos x. where n is belongs to z, means this is one rotation. After one rotation, this first quadrant comes. So that's why in this first quadrant, all values are positive and pi format. That's why it is the same function. That if sin x equal to 0, then x is equal to n pi. Means every pi format, they are sin function 0. Every, if cos x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to z. That means every pi by 2 format से cos का वैल्यू 0 आता है. Similarly, cosec x is equal to 1 by sin x. Here x is not equal to n pi. Sec x is equal to 1 by cos x. Here x is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. That is, here x is not equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Similarly, cos x is equal to cos x by sin x is not equal to n pi, where n is belongs to integer, means z. That's why these are the unit circle which gives a different idea of the trigonometry functional value. So we introduce about other trigonometry functions, some related equations. These are the trigonometric value which is used by trigonometry function. Theta, that is here, theta is here degree format and radian format. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree. Here 0 degree that have a sign value, that is 0, 30 that is value 1 by 2, 45 that is 1 by root 2, that is 60 root 3 by 2, that is 90 value, that is 1, 180 value, that is 0, 270 value, that is minus 1, 360 value is 0. That similar, this is, that means sine function is increasing function, so that's why it is increasing order. Oh, cos function is decreasing of 90 here, that is 1, then just reverse here. Root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, this is 0, this is minus 1, this is 0, this is 1. This means sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta. And this by this is this by this is equal to this by this is equal to this by this is equal to root 3, this by this is infinity, this by this is 0, this by this is equal to infinity, this by this is equal to 0. Similarly, this means opposite here, reverse, that is infinity, then root 3, that 1, then 1 by root 3, then 0. Similarly here, this divided by this, that is equal to, here cot theta means cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta means infinity, this is 0, this is infinity. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 1, this 2 by root 3, this is root 3, this is 2, this is infinity, this is minus 1, this is infinity, this is 1. Similarly, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, that is infinity, this is 2, this is root 2, this is 2 by root 3, this is 1, this is infinity, this is minus 1, this is infinity. That means these are the functional value, okay, which is used by some trigonometry functions. Now, how to find out this value? Methods are there. One is the counting method, another is the fingertip method. What the counting method? If you count the 0 degree, that is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, so 3, this is 4. Simple. Count from 0 to 9, divided by 4, root over, that is equal to 0. Divided by 4, root over, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Divided by 4, root over, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Divided by 4, root over, that is equal to root 3 by, divided by 4, root over, that is equal to 1. Means you have to count from 0 to 90. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. simple divide by 4 and square root. That value sin theta will come. Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90 will come. After that value, we will find out by using trigonometry function. Okay, so this is the one method, means count from 0 to 90, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and divide by 4 and taking square root, that value will come. And another method is that fingertip method, means this is a fingertip. You have to take it in that way. That means this fingertip means this is a 90 degree, this is a 0 degree. This is a 90 degree. Okay, this is the thumb, this is the little finger. Okay, so that in that way, this is index finger. This is index finger, means 60 degree. This is 45 degree, that is middle finger. Okay, this is 30 degree, that is a ring finger. Means that's why if you think about this, and if you think about this, means suppose you have to find out the sine angle, means clockwise, and cos angle means anti-clockwise. Means sine angle, suppose sine 30 means this is sine 30. You think about this ring finger means that is the count, that is one finger is there, one finger divided by 2, that is 1 by 2 is there. Similarly, then you have to find out what 45 is sine 45. These are the two fingers are there. Two finger ka root over divided by, okay, divided by how many fingers are there? That is the 2 fingers divided by 2. Always divided by 2. Means here, if you find out the what 60 degree, so that how many 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is finger is there. That means root 3 divided by 2. How many figures? You have to take the root over divided by always 2. If you want to find out the 90 degree, that means how many figures are there? 4 figures are there. 4 ka root over divided by 2, that value comes 1, sin 90 equal 1. If you find out the value of what cos value, means anti-clockwise. Cos value means anti-clockwise. Means suppose sin cos 60 value you have to find out. Means how many angles, fingers are there. That means एक फिंगर है, तो एक फिंगर जो है, एक फिंगर काउंट करके एक का रूट ओवर निकालना, इसके बाद डिवाइड करना 2 से. That means 1 by 2 value. Similarly, tan 45, cos 45 we have to find out. Means this is anti-clockwise. 2 fingers are there, and that means 2 finger ka root over divided by 2. That means root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2. Suppose cos 30 degree you have to find out. This is a 30, this is a 45, this is a 60, this is a 90, this is a 0. This is the fingertip format. So that's why if you want to find out the cos 30 degree, means how many fingers are there? 3 fingers are there. So that 3 fingers means 3 ka root over, that is root 3, and divided by 2, always divide 2, means root 3 by 2. Similarly, if you want to find out the 0, means cos 0 value, how many fingers are there? 4 fingers are there. 4 fingers ka, okay, root over, that is root, that only 2 value will come, will divide by 2. That means 2 by 2 is equal to 1. That means cos 0 ka value 1. This is the fingertips method. Okay, now we'll discuss about the other trigonometry function and different other values. How to find out the values. And if you want to know about the domain, range of the function, then you can put the value. We cannot, otherwise we cannot put the value. Means what is the domain? That is the domain means what is in, that is the domain. What is the range? That is the what is in out. What is out? क्या निकला है? That is the range. क्या डाला है? वो है domain. So कैसे हम क्या क्या डाल सकते हैं उसका वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हम आगे जाएंगे. ओके, now here, so some trigonometric functions are there. This is the domain, this is the range. Means क्या डाला ना, here हम रियल नंबर डाल दिया, तो x का वैल्यू रियल डाला. रियल डालने के बाद वो if you put the real value you get what, that is equal to range -1. 1 के अंदर हमको मिलेगा सब वैल्यू, वो रेंज होगा -1 1. In between -1 1, that all value will come. Similarly, if you put the real value in cosec, you have to get that is the -1 से 1 का अंदर. This is the closed interval, means -1 भी आ सकता है, 1 भी आ सकता है. सपोज रियल वैल्यू 1 डाला तो इसका अंदर आएगा, रियल वैल्यू 5 डाला इसके अंदर आएगा, रियल वैल्यू 100 डाला तो इसका अंदर आएगा. जितना भी वैल्यू रियल वैल्यू हम डालेंगे और उसका वैल्यू और रेंज, दैट मीन्स इसका अंदर आएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट tan का. सो tan में क्या है, हमको cos का वैल्यू जो है ना उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना जरूरी है. cos कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा, दैट्स व्हाई n2n+1 π/2 फॉर्मेट को हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना जरूरत है. देन आफ्टर दैट द वैल्यू मिलेगा, हमको रियल वैल्यू मिलेगा. सिमिलरली sin x का हियर हम रियल -n π डालेंगे, मिलेगा क्या ना, रियल नंबर मिलेगा. हियर रियल -2n+1 π/2 डाल रहे, तो हमको क्या मिलेगा ना, रियल -1 1 ओपन इंटरवल. सिमिलरली रियल माइनस इधर n π डाला, डालने के बाद क्या आ रहे, सो दैट्स व्हाई रियल माइनस ऑफ -1, 1 इतना वैल्यू आएगा. इसका मतलब क्या है, सो हियर cosec की वैल्यू 0 नहीं होगा. जब 0 हो जाएगा तो हम इन्फिनिटी वैल्यू है, मतलब इसको हम डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे. दैट्स व्हाई तो 0 जिसमें cosec है इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना जरूरत है. हम इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, मींस रियल से इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से जो वैल्यू आएगा इसी वैल्यू को हम इनपुट तरह हम इनपुट जैसे डाल सकते, मतलब x का वैल्यू के अंदर हम इसको डाल सकते. After that if you put, then what value you get, that is real number always you get. That means हमको क्या मिलेगा, रियल नंबर मिलेगा. Similarly here sin x कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा, तो इसका मतलब है x का वैल्यू कभी भी पाई फॉर्मेट नहीं आएगा. तो दैट्स व्हाई n π फॉर्मेट इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया रियल से, दैट द डोमेन इज रियल -n π. सो रियल वैल्यू हमको मिलेगा रेंज हिसाब से. Similarly, sec x is equal to 1/cos x, that is the real minus what 2n+1 π/2 format, that is subtracted, that is the domain. You get always a real -1, 1 ऐसे हमको मिलेगा. और हम भी इसको लिख सकते हैं -∞ से ओके -1 क्लोज इंटरवल यूनियन 1 से इन्फिनिटी, दिस इज, ऐसे भी हम लिख सकते हैं. इसका मतलब क्या है ना, इधर -1 ओपन इंटरवल 1 का वैल्यू नहीं आएगा और सब वैल्यू आएगा. सिमिलरली cosec x का is equal to 1/sin x, so what the x value will come, that means you here sin x कभी भी 0 नहीं होगा, that's why r -n π होगा. So n π sin x equal to 0 means x is equal to n π. So n π फॉर्मेट से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से जितना रियल वैल्यू आएगा उतना ही डोमेन है. तो जितना हम डोमेन डाल रहे हैं ना, जितना वैल्यू उस अब उसी के अंदर आएगा, तो क्या आएगा, दैट इज द रेंज रियल -1 1 ओपन इंटरवल. और यू कैन से -∞ -1 close interval union 1 से infinity, this is close, this is open, this value will come. These are the domain and range of the trigonometry function. Domain means what is in, range means what is out. क्या डाल रहे क्या मिल रहे, ये है this. After that, we'll discuss about the other values. These are the concepts which we will say about the line representation क्या है, quadrant representation क्या है, sign representation क्या है, functional value representation क्या है. By using this representation, we can find out the value of the trigonometric function, or we can find the more trigonometry value. Okay, so that first of all we have to find out the line representation. What is line representation? क्या है? हम लिखेंगे line representation. Means ये है line. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Okay. Here x-axis stands for, that is a pi format, and y-axis stands for pi by 2 format. Means this is the 0 angle, this is the pi by 2 angle, this is the pi angle, this is the 3 pi by 2 angle. Means this is the 90 degree, this is 90 format, this is the pi format. Means one rotation this will come. Another rotation if you want, that is 2 pi, then rotation. Then this is equal to 5 pi by 2, this rotation. This is 3 pi, this rotation. This is 7 pi by 2, this rotation. Similar, this is 4 pi, this rotation again come. This is 9 pi by 2, then this rotation again come. This is 5 pi. Similar, this rotation again come. This is 11 pi by 2. Similar, this rotation again come. This is 6 pi. This rotation again. Similarly, in this way, this value will come. That means this is pi format. This is pi by 2 format. X-axis stands for pi format. Y-axis stands for pi by 2 format. Means here x-axis pi format में दो है. X-axis में दो सिस्टम. एक है even pi, another है odd pi. Means even pi means O x-axis means positive x-axis, and odd pi means O x dash axis means negative x-axis. This is the pi format concept. So from using this, we can find out the line, angle in which line, that means different angles in a different. Similarly here, pi by 2 format means that is equal to y-axis, that have two concepts. One is the remainder one, another is the remainder 3. If you divide by coefficient of pi by 2 is divided by 4. If remainder 1, then positive y-axis means OY-axis. If remainder 3, this is negative y-axis, that is equal to OY dash axis. That means coefficient always that is odd in pi by 2 format. Means 5 by 5 here, 9 here, 3 here, 7 here, 11 here. These are all odd. That means pi by 2 format का coefficient always odd. If that odd coefficient divided by 4, value the remainder will come 1 or 3. If remainder will come 1, this is the positive y-axis. If remainder will come 3, this is the negative y-axis. Means here 5 pi by 2 means 5 if divided by 4, the remainder is 1. That means this is equal to positive y-axis. 9 divided by 4, the remainder is 1. That means this is the positive y-axis. Similarly, this is 11 divided by 4, the remainder is 3. That means negative y-axis. In this way, we can find out the line representation, means which angle in which line. This is most important case. So that means if you know the angle in a line, then you can find out the angle in quadrant, then you have to find out the sine in quadrant, then you have to find out the value of the trigonometry function. That is the chain process. Okay. Now question, but the question now 448 pi by 2 suppose question. That means this is the even. So you have to divide the 2. This is 2, 4 pi. Means this is even pi. Even pi means this is a positive x-axis. Means O x-axis. This is O x-axis. Similarly, another question if you want to say, that is 220, okay, 222 pi by 2 means 1, 1, 1 pi. Means this is odd pi. That's why this is a negative x-axis. That means O x dash axis. This is a negative axis. And more question if you think about more question. Okay, what the other question means, what angle in what line, that you have to find out very easily. Then the question is there. Suppose 338 pi by 2. This is even. So that's why if you want to divide, that is 169 pi by pi. That means this is odd pi. Odd pi means negative x-axis, means O x dash axis. Similarly, another question, that is 441 pi by 2. That means here for 441 if divided by 4, that simply you have to divide last 2 digits. If last 2 digits is divided by 4, then total number is divided by 4. Then what the last 2 digits, that is 41. If divided by 4, then value, the remainder will come 1. That's why here remainder is equal to 1. That's why positive y-axis or OY axis. Similarly, another question if you want to say, that is equal to 47 pi by 2. 47 if you divided by 4, then what the remainder will come? The remainder means 47 means 48 means 12 4 j 48. Then 12 3 j, sorry, 13 4 j. Here if you divided by 4, the remainder is equal to 3 will come. Remainder 3 will come. Kitna? If you remainder, that is 1, then that is equal to 1. That is 11 4 j 44. Remainder 3 will come. Remainder if 3 will come, so that is the negative y-axis. That means OY dash axis will come. OY dash axis will come. Here, okay, in this way we can find out the different angles in the, okay, in the line. Different angles means higher angle, means 1 lakh angle, or many more okay, angles we can find out the line in which line and how many rotation you can say also. So these are the concept of the line representation. Representation में similarly which angle in this is equal to first quadrant, this is equal to second quadrant, this is equal to third quadrant, this is equal to fourth quadrant. These are the four quadrants. Actually this quadrant is the anti-clockwise measurement is there because positive angle is measured in anti-clockwise. So here quadrant representation, that is in which quadrant which angle is there. This is a theta angle. Mean the measurement is this is a theta angle. So if a theta angle to angle, that means you can say this is a 0, this is a pi by 2, this is a pi, this is a 3 pi by 2. Similarly, one rotation second, this is 2 pi, this is 5 pi by 2, this is 3 pi, this is 7 pi by 2. In this way, the angle will come. If this way, this is 2 pi plus theta. This way, this is pi by 2 minus theta. This way, pi by 2 plus theta. This way, this is pi minus theta. This way, this is pi plus theta. This way, this is 3 pi by 2 minus theta. This way, this is 3 pi by 2 plus theta, or 0 minus theta means minus theta, or 2 pi minus theta. These are the angles means in first quadrant. First quadrant. So फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट का एंगल क्या है? Yes, that means value comes here theta 2 pi plus theta, pi by 2 minus theta, 5 pi by 2 minus theta, etc. Second quadrant, that angle comes, this is equal to pi by 2 plus theta, okay, 5 pi by 2 plus theta, then pi minus theta, 3 pi minus theta, etc. Similarly, third quadrant, that value comes, that is equal to pi plus theta, 3 pi plus theta, then 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 7 pi by 2 minus theta, etc. Then fourth quadrant, that is equal to here 3 pi by 2 plus theta, then minus theta, then 7 pi by 2 plus theta, then 2 pi minus theta, etc. These are the angles in different quadrant. Different quadrant में different angles are there. Then how can we say that angle is okay? In angle is in quadrant. Just like you think about one question, 333 pi by 2 is which quadrant? Plus theta is which quadrant? Means here 33 if divided by 4 means that remainder will come 1. If remainder will come 1, this is a pi by 2 format, plus theta means this quadrant, means it will come second quadrant. It will come second quadrant. Similarly, another question if you think about 448 pi by 2 means minus theta. The value will come here 224 pi minus theta. This is equal to even pi. This line is equal to even pi line. Minus theta is equal to fourth quadrant. This will come fourth quadrant. Okay. Similarly, one question, another question if you want to say, that is 3, 8, 8, 8, 5 pi by 2 plus theta ऐसे दिया. That means 85 is divided by 4. The remainder will come. That is 1. Remainder 1 plus theta. Remainder 1 plus theta. That is in second quadrant. That is in second quadrant. Similarly, you can find out different angle. Okay, different angle in different quadrant. One more question, that is equal to one more question. Suppose 273 73 pi by 2 plus theta. That means here remainder is equal to 1 plus theta. That is the second quadrant. Another question, 43 pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 plus, sorry, here 43 pi plus theta in which quadrant? 43 pi plus theta. The remainder is equal to, here 43 means odd pi plus theta, that is equal to third quadrant. Next, another question if you answer 337, okay, 337 2 pi by 2 plus theta is which part? 72 means remainder is equal to, here if you divided by 2, that is equal to, here 16 1 7, that is equal to 8 1 2, that is equal to 6. Even pi plus theta, so that's why this is the first quadrant. So in this way we can find out the quadrant representation. Means quadrant mean which quadrant in which angle, and different angles different quadrant में कैसे रहेंगे हमको पता चलेगा. Okay, in this way you can, here that is the sign representation. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. मीन्स फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा. हमको भी पता है ए एस टी सी, ऐसे हम याद रखने से कुछ गलत हो जाएगा. इसीलिए आफ्टर स्कूल देन कॉलेज, ए फॉर ऑल पॉजिटिव, S for sign positive. If sign is positive, then cosec is positive. T for tan positive or cot positive, और C for cos positive और sec positive. इसका मतलब है फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या हुआ, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होगा. ये पॉजिटिव साइन ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हैं. और भी मेथड है, ऐड sugar to coffee. इसका मतलब है सेम कंसेप्ट, ऑल पॉजिटिव, साइन पॉजिटिव, tan positive and cos positive. Whatever you use, that is for remembering purpose. Or you can say also ASTC. Sometimes ASTC के बदल में हम सिटी भी कर सकते हैं, इसीलिए गलत हो जाएगा. This technology is important. This is the memory technology for, okay, easily memorize. That is the way for finding the sign of the permutation. इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब है दो फॉर्मेट, एक पाई फॉर्मेट, एक पाई बाई 2 फॉर्मेट है. इसका पाई फॉर्मेट का मतलब क्या है कि ऑलवेज सेम फंक्शन रहेगा विथ क्वाड्रेंट साइन. सिमिलरली हियर ऑपोजिट फंक्शन रहेगा विथ क्वाड्रेंट साइन. दैट मीन्स ऑपोजिट फंक्शन मीन्स साइन का ऑपोजिट होगा, ऑपोजिट होगा कॉस, देन tan का ऑपोजिट होगा कॉट, सेक का ऑपोजिट होगा कोसेक। So these are the opposite functions. Here, if you want to say something that is in quadrant value, now sin pi by 2 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Means if you two things you know, you can find easily the angular value. Means simple, pi by 2 minus theta, that is the first quadrant, sin pi by 2 format. So that's the opposite function, and this is a quadrant sign, that is positive, first quadrant. Similarly, cos pi by 2 minus theta, opposite function, quadrant sign positive. Tan pi by 2 minus theta, this is equal to, okay, cot theta. This is sec pi by 2 minus theta. This is equal to cosec theta. This is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, this value will come. Similarly, if you want to say in the second quadrant, pi by 2 plus theta का value क्या है? Cos pi by 2 plus theta का value क्या है? Tan pi by 2 plus theta का value क्या है? Then then sec pi by 2, ओके, प्लस थीटा का वैल्यू क्या है? मतलब है ये पाई बाई 2 फॉर्मेट, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉस ऑपोजिट फंक्शन, ये ऑपोजिट फंक्शन आए, ये सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा। जब सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में आता है तब ये साइन फंक्शन क्या होता है ना, साइन फंक्शन पॉजिटिव वैल्यू आता है, दैट्स व्हाई हियर पॉजिटिव है। सिमिलरली कॉस फंक्शन दैट वे, दैट इज नेगेटिव आता है। देन tan फंक्शन, tan का ऑपोजिट फंक्शन कॉट होगा, ये भी नेगेटिव होगा। सेक का ऑपोजिट फंक्शन क्या होगा ना, कोसेक होगा, ये भी नेगेटिव होगा। सो this is also some value. Then if you want to say other quadrant, okay, value, find out that how can we find out? I will say. Now here sin pi minus theta, cos pi minus theta, tan pi minus theta. These are the actually same function because pi format, that's why same function. But first quadrant, that's sorry, second quadrant, that's why a positive. This is the same function. This is negative. This is same function. This is also negative. Okay. Sec pi by pi minus theta, that is equal to same function. This is also negative. If you want to say sin pi plus theta, this is the third quadrant. Here third quadrant means this is the same function and negative. Cos pi plus theta, this is the same function but negative. This is the tan pi plus theta, this is the same function but positive. So sec pi plus theta, this is the same function but negative. Similarly, this is then sin 3 pi by 2 minus theta, the value comes, this is the cos, the opposite function minus theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta, this is the third quadrant. So then minus sin theta. Then tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta, this is equal to cot theta. Then sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta, this is equal to minus cosec theta. Similarly, sin 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that is equal to minus cos theta. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that is equal to only sin theta. Then tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta, that is equal to minus cot theta. Similarly, sec 3 pi by 2 plus theta, this is equal to minus, okay, here plus cosec theta. Here, similarly, Sine minus theta, this is equal to fourth quadrant, so minus sine theta. This is cos minus theta, this is equal to fourth quadrant cos theta. Tan minus theta, this is equal to minus tan theta. Then sine 2 pi minus theta, this is also negative minus theta. This is cos 2 pi minus theta, this is also, that is cos theta. Then tan 2 pi minus theta, which is equal to, that value comes minus tan theta. If one say sine 2 pi plus theta, means first quadrant sine theta, or cos 2 pi plus theta, this is cos theta. Then tan 2 pi plus theta, this is equal to tan theta. This is the one rotation comes, this again first quadrant will come. That's why these are the value. Okay, if you know the line representation, quadrant representation, sign representation, and you can find out the functional value very easily. So two format is there. One is the pi by 2 format, another is the pi format. You can find out very easily. Here sine, this is a sine 445 pi by 2 plus theta. If divided by 4, that is remainder is 1 pi by 2 plus theta. This is second quadrant, and opposite angle, that is equal to cos theta. Similarly 37 36, that is 3, the remainder is what will come 36, that is 32 is 84, 34, that is 37 divided by 4, that value will come, this is 9, 30 is remainder is 1 minus theta first quadrant, that's why it is the sine theta. Here this is equal to that 1 1 2, that is even pi plus theta, even pi plus theta. This is the first quadrant, so that's why this is the tan theta. So first of all, you have to find out, think about this is pi format or this is pi by 2 format. If it is pi format, then it is the same function. If it is pi by 2 format, this is opposite function. Then you have to think about the sign. There, that sign means which quadrant it is in. You have to find out. So in this way, you can find out the functional value. Now comes to the allied angle. Allied angle क्या है? एक एंगल का allied angle क्या? If theta is any angle, then theta minus theta, 90 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta are called allied angle of theta. These are allied angle of theta. Now remember some points that very important here. Remember, sine n pi is equal to 0. Then cos n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power n, where n is belongs to integer. Sine n pi plus theta, that is minus 1 to the power n sine theta. And cos n pi plus theta, that is minus 1 to the power n cos theta, where n is the integer. This is a shortcut method you have to find. Okay, remember, and you have to put in the different formula, means it is a putting in a JEE question. That is very easily you can find out the question. Then cos format, another remembering point, that is sine n pi by 2 plus theta, means minus 1 to the power n minus 1 by 2 cos theta. If n is odd, minus 1 to the power n by 2, that is sine theta, if n is even. Similarly, cos n pi by 2 plus theta, that is minus 1 to the power n plus 1 by 2 sine theta. If n is odd, minus 1 to the power n by 2 point to cos theta, if n is even. These are the shortcut formula which is applicable for finding different functional value of the trigonometric function. Okay, now completed the some trigonometric functional value. Next video I will say other concept. Okay, thank you. and subscribe the channel for more update video. Please share and subscribe and घंटी बजा